students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss sign rules for division. Are you ready? Let us start. If the signs are the same, the result is positive. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Here positive divided by positive is equal to positive. In this case, the signs are same. So the result is a positive. Am I correct? Then, if the signs are different, the result is negative. Here negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Then positive divided by negative is equal to negative. If the signs are different, the result is always negative. If the signs are same, the result is always positive. Understood? Okay. Example, 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Here the signs are same, so the result is positive. Understood? Then here 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Here the signs are same, so the result is positive. In this case, 6 divided by 3 means that is 2. Here the signs are different, so the result is negative. In this case, 6 divided by 3 means that is also 2. And here also the signs are different, therefore the answer is negative. Okay. Then 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. Negative 8 divided by negative 4, that is also is equal to 2. Then negative 8 divided by 4, that is equal to negative 2. Then 8 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 2. Understood? Study this topic clearly. Bye bye. See you.